Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to display Twitch chat in OBS Studio. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to twitch.tv. Log in and go to your channel page. Now open your chat. Click the gear icon in the chat box. Select Pop Out Chat. A new window will open. Now open OBS Studio. At the top, click Docs, then choose Custom Browser Docs. In the doc name, type something like Twitch Chat. In the URL field, paste the link from the pop-out chat window. Click Apply. The chat will now appear inside OBS, but only for you to see, not your viewers. You can drag and place it anywhere in your OBS interface to keep an eye on chat while streaming. That's it. Your Twitch chat is now displayed inside OBS Studio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.